I sure have to go pee.
You and me, hanging around a Christmas tree, colored lights and an angel up above, Christmas of love. Baby, everywhere we go, bring a little mistletoe. We'll be hugging, we'll be kissing like two turtle doves, Christmas of love.
Here we are at Sutherland's. The great Christmas Eve toilet seat extravaganza continues. Yeah, so it's Christmas Eve and I'm in Sutherland's looking for a toilet seat. I don't know where exactly that would be, but once I get there, I've been given specific instructions on what kind of toilet seat is needed. Alright, now we're talking. Alright, I'm not sure what kind of seat we're looking for. I'm sure that this little number, that's not going to work. Hummingbirds? No, that's not going to work. I need something that, hold on, let me pull out the exact drawing here. Okay, this is what we're looking for, okay? We need something that's roughly 13 inches wide, because if not, people are going to be getting piss all over the place. Okay, this is the seat that I've decided to go with. As you can see from this, we're going to measure 8 inches up. Okay, turn it. Less than 13. Fantastic. This is it. And the best part about this particular model is the price tag of only $6.99. I think we're going to be happy with this one. Here's the dead man walking. We're going to get rid of this, and then we're going to dispose of it properly, with possibly an explosion. Okay, this is a hell of a job, but you know, I've almost got the new seat attached, and I think it's going to work out really well. Where you're at right now, that's currently where pee would be splattered, so thank God. The new seat has been currently installed. Let's check out some of the new features. Okay, this right here, this is a standard issue model, $6.99 toilet seat. You can see it's a bright white, but what you can see right here is that it actually is flush and actually goes back into this indentation on the toilet. Therefore, a human could actually pee while standing up and no pee anywhere. This will stay up good. Rock and roll.
And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.